Imagine a tiny capsule no larger than a small pill that you can swallow to manage your weight. It sounds like science fiction, right? But thanks to the cutting edge research from MIT engineers, this futuristic idea is becoming reality very soon. Hi all, welcome to a new episode of Tuesday Tech Bytes with EmbeddedBrew. And as we are going to dive into this cutting edge technology, let's start our today's video. Obesity. It's a growing global health concern affecting millions of people worldwide. Traditional methods of weight management such as diet and exercise often fall short for many individuals. This has led researchers to explore alternative solutions that can provide more effective and sustainable results. One of the recent and most promising innovations in this field is the development of a vibrating ingestible capsule. This tiny device is designed to help patients feel fuller, thereby reducing their appetite and aiding in weight loss. So how does this vibrating capsule works? Let's break down the engineering marvel to know what is happening inside. The capsule is equipped with a small motor that generates vibrations. These vibrations stimulate the mechanoreceptors in the stomach, which send signals to the brain indicating a feeling of fullness. This helps reduce the amount of food intake. So without the need of invasive surgery or medication, you can reduce your weight. Well, the engineers faced many problems during the creation of this capsule, such as ensuring it is safe for ingestion, capable of withstanding the harsh environment of the digestive system, and providing consistent vibrations for effective appetite suppression. The team at MIT conducted extensive research and testing to bring this capsule to life. They used computer simulations and prototype testing to refine the design. The capsule is made of biocompatible materials to ensure it is safe for human use. During the development phase, the researchers conducted several trials on animal models to study the capsule's effectiveness and safety. The results were promising, showing significant reduction in food intake and weight loss in the test subjects. After successful animal trials, the next step was to test the capsule in human clinical trials. The researchers recruited volunteers for the trials who took the capsule under controlled conditions. The trials aimed to evaluate the capsule's effectiveness, safety, and any potential side effects. Initial results from these trials have been encouraging, with participants experiencing reduced appetite and weight loss without any major adverse effects. The development of this vibrating capsule opens up new possibilities for obesity treatment. In the future, this technology could be integrated with other weight loss strategies to provide a comprehensive solution. It might also pave the way for similar innovations in treating other gastrointestinal disorders. As we wrap up today's episode, it's clear that the vibrating ingestible capsule represents a significant step forward in the fighting against obesity. This groundbreaking technology showcases the power of engineering and innovation in addressing some of our most pressing health challenges. So that's all about our today's video, and if you like this, then don't forget to hit on that like button, share it with your friends, and let me know your thoughts, your suggestions in the comment section below. If you want to read the full blog with references, you can check out our blog. The link is already given in the description below. With that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I will upload a new video, you can get the instant notification. See you in the next one. Till then, be cool, work smart.